In this video, I'll guide you through how to link a table of contents in Google Docs so your document is easy to navigate and looks more professional. We'll go from a plain document to a clickable table of contents that jumps straight to each section. I'll walk you through each part slowly, and you can pause and follow along in your own document as we go. First, you'll want to make sure your document is set up with proper headings. The table of contents feature in Google Docs only works when your document uses heading styles, not just bigger or bold text. So start by opening your Google Doc and looking through the sections of your document. Think about what should appear in the table of contents, usually main sections, chapters or major headings, and sometimes important subsections. Now highlight the title of your first main section. At the top of the screen, find the formatting toolbar. There's a drop down that usually says normal text. Click that and you'll see options like heading 1, heading 2, and so on. Choose heading 1 for your main sections. You should see the text change slightly in size or style. Repeat this for each major section of your document, giving each of them the heading 1 style. If you have subsections under a main section, you can use heading 2 or heading 3 for those, depending on how detailed you want your table of contents to be. For example, a chapter title could be heading 1, and smaller topics inside that chapter could be heading 2. This creates a clear structure that Google Docs can use when it builds your table of contents. Once all the headings are set, move your cursor to where you want the table of contents to appear. Most people put it near the beginning of the document, on its own page or just under the title. Click to place your cursor there. Next, go to the top menu and click Insert. From that menu, look for Table of Contents. When you hover over it, you'll see a few style options. Choose the one that says with links. This is the clickable version that lets you jump around the document. When you click it, Google Docs will automatically generate a table of contents based on the headings you applied earlier. You'll see a list of your headings appear, usually in order, with each item acting as a link. The layout may show indentation for heading 2 or heading 3 items, so you can see the hierarchy of your document. If something is missing, it usually means that piece of text wasn't set to a heading style, so you can go back, fix the style, then return to the table of contents and update it. To use your new table of contents, simply click on any item in the list. Google Docs will instantly jump to that section of the document. This is especially helpful in long documents like reports, manuals, or essays, where scrolling around can be time-consuming. If you edit your document later and change headings or add new sections, you can update the table of contents by clicking on it. A small refresh icon will appear on the left side of the table. Click that to regenerate the list so it reflects your latest changes. And that's all you need. Add headings in Google Docs, insert a table of contents with links, and then click any item in the list to jump straight to that section.